Welcome to SSLC Second Language English Objective Type Practice Question Paper. Four alternatives are given in each of the following questions or incomplete statements. Only one of them is correct or most appropriate. Choose the correct alternative and write the complete answer with its letter of alphabet. First one. Choose the appropriate question tag and fill in the blank. She is very brilliant. Options: isn't she, is she, hasn't she, has she. Answer is isn't she. Second one. Read the conversation and fill in the blank with correct if clause choosing from the given alternatives. Mother: Reena, why have you scored less marks in maths? Reena: sorry mom, I could not understand maths properly. Mother: if you have attended the remedial classes, you dash understood maths well. Options: A, will have, shall have, would have, would have. Answers: would have. Third one. Read the conversation and choose the correct infinitive. Student: may we go now, sir? Teacher: yes, you may go to play. Options: A, may, B, we, C, to play, D, go. Answer: C, to play. Fourth one. Read the conversation and choose the language function for the underlined sentence. Swami: father, we are buying brand new bats and balls. Father: okay, I'll see about that later. You must leave alone hereafter. Options: A, request, B, gratitude, C, order, D, suggestion. Answer: C, order. Fifth one. Do as directed. Fill in the blank with appropriate tense form of the verb given in the bracket. And yet much remains to be dash on spatial plane. Do. Answer is done. And yet much remains to be done on social plane. Sixth one. Fill in the blank with appropriate preposition. Smita stood dash the window looking at the traffic, her eyes filled with tears. Smita stood near the window looking at the traffic, her eyes filled with tears. Seventh one. Fill in the blank using suitable linker. Keep quiet dash go out. Answer or else. Eighth one. Fill in the blank choosing the appropriate word given in the bracket. It is this boy now dash known as Satish Gujral. Bracket popular. Answer popularly. It is this boy now popularly known as Satish Gujral. Ninth one. Combine the words in column A with its collocative word in column B. A, table. B, options are paper, book, salt, time. Answer: table, salt. 10th one. Give one word answer. A person who is very eager for knowledge. Answer: voracious. 11th one. Which of the following word has two syllables? Bottle, map, syllabification, cheat. Answer: bottle. Rearrange the jumbled up words into meaningful sentences. And looked Babu eagerly Mohan for Manju. Babu. Answer: Babu looked eagerly for Mohan and Manju. 13th one. Frame a question to get the underlined word as answer. National Education Day is observed on 11th November. Answer: when is National Education Day observed? 14th one. Read the following conversation and change the underlined sentence into passive voice. X. Who was teaching them mathematics? Y. John was teaching them mathematics. Answer: mathematics was being taught to them by John. 15th one. Change the following into comparative degree. No other animal is as tall as giraffe. Answer: giraffe is taller than other animals. 16th one. Combine sentences using to. The box is very heavy. I cannot lift it. The box is too heavy to lift it. Third main. The following statement has two errors. Edit the statement and rewrite the answer book. Clues are given. Baleshwar grabbed the train's red emergency chain and pulled it down frantically. Clues: apostrophe to be used. B. Verbal mistake to be corrected. Answer: trains apostrophe S. Pulled, pulled, pulled. Thank you.